How to install the FTP client Filezilla on Windows. Go to the official website of Filezilla. From the Download section of the website, download the Filezilla FTP client installer file for your Windows operating system. For instance, if it is Windows 64-bit by 86, click on this setup file. Click the Save File button. Now open the folder containing the downloaded file, and double-click on the file to run it. Click the I agree button and then click the Next button. Click the box for desktop icon of Filezilla, and then click the Next button. Choose the destination folder and then click the Next button. Now click the Install button. Then click the Finish button. That's it. We have successfully installed FTP client Filezilla on Windows. Now you know how to install the FTP client Filezilla on Windows. Watch another tutorial and know how to access or connect your FTP account via Filezilla. Thank you for watching.